It is 10:36 p.m. We just checked into our boutique hotel in Quito.
And no food.
After first day, all day of journey from Albuquerque to Dallas to Miami. We are in Ecuador at
it's a nice
a very
boutique.
Cute hotel room. Interesting hotel room.
The most important thing
And the interesting part is not only you got a bathtub, but this is the door coming into the room right here. So you
got the real...
open the bathtub, open the door.
Look at this.
Right into the bathtub. Here's a window looking out to, if you can see it in the distance there, the winged virgin statue and schoolyard playground. So we were woken up very early this morning. But they look like they were having fun, and they sounded like they were having fun.
Actually, I started
we are at breakfast.
6:50, 6:45.
Those are the kids who go to school early. Okay, we signed up for a walking tour at 10:30. Just finished breakfast now. It's 9 o'clock, and I think we might be the only people staying here.
Yeah, she was serving us for breakfast.
Must be a low season, but nice hotel.
Who is that guy? I want to see that.
Bravissima at Notre Dame. We have the two towers right here. Now guys, I have a little question for you. So, how many hours of sun we have every single day in Ecuador, guys? 12. And when it's 12 p.m., I think that...
Which way are we going? Hasta la abuela, señor.
What we have here, we have one of the most beautiful decorations and courtyards of this city, because we have a style that is not local from Ecuador. It was taken by the Spaniards from Morocco. Because remember, the Spaniards had so many people from Morocco.
So we are here on a good day today because nice and sunny day, and tomorrow this whole area is going to be closed because this is the Ecuadorian White House behind us. That's where the office of the president is. And tomorrow is the inauguration ceremony after the re-election in April of the Ecuadorian president. So.
And did you explain the statue?
It's a big statue. And it's a Lady Liberty on top, built in 1910 for their 1809 independence from Spain.
If you see here, guys, we have two doors. The first door protects the building, and the second door back there used to divide indigenous people out and Spaniards in. Why? Because indigenous people, they were not welcome.
I like the Banco Centro del Ecuador. It looked like a Hogwarts building or something. You feel like it's Universal Studios.
That's pretty.
$3.12 for about a 20-minute ride up the mountain, and bought tickets for the tram, which we'll go on in a minute. Look at this. in the mountain now, and I have no idea what elevation. You need to check it out. Okay, so the tram is starting at 9,515 feet. I think the top of Sandia is a little over 10,000. So according to the sign, the top will be 4,050 meters. What is that? So it goes up to 13,287 feet.
Oh, so it's not for
a little
children.
bit lower than Pikes Peak. Actually, quite a bit lower than Pikes Peak.
It's not for children.
Ah, look at that. We can go down and ride roller coaster after we are done. Make it. All right, we are at the top. 4,000 meters.
It's less than 14 years.
And this town is just over 2 million people, so
It's pretty big.
very
We
similar
cannot
to the
even see
same
the end.
size and population as the entire state of New Mexico. And it is amazing from this view. It just goes on for a long ways. Okay, so this is the start of a 4-kilometer hike. They say allow 5 hours to do it. So I guess what you want to do is come up here early in the morning and do a high altitude 5-hour hike.
But they told you it's not suggested for people not accustomed.
Not suggested for people not accustomed to the altitude though. My watch says we're only 12,400 feet. Okay, so here's some view of the city, and it is a view of
But this is not
mini
a whole town.
volcanoes. There's one here to 5,790 meters, 5,758 meters. The tallest one is Cotopaxi, 5,897, but it's in the clouds, I believe.
Oh, cool.
But look at the city.
You cannot see the
It just
old
goes
town
forever.
down.
Now you can get a view of the city.
And you can see gondola.
Oh, you can see it from here. Look how beautiful background.
Done?
Yeah. Nice to
You
meet
guys are cute. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay.
No, I told you. I finished walking around up there, and now on our way back down, and we will have to find.
Where is the cathedral?
I think it's on that side behind the mountain.
Where
And
are you
then
looking?
we have to find an Uber to get back. Hopefully somebody comes to pick us up quickly because this was kind of out of the way.
I know, but